ClubExpress, Storefront, managing physical and digital orders. The Storefront module lets clubs sell physical and digital products on their website. Organizations can ship orders to customers using flat rates or advanced shipping methods. Digital products are available for customers to download, and administrators can also manage downloads for customers. This video is part of a Storefront series. Watch the remaining tutorials to learn how to set up the module and product defaults, set up shipping methods, and manage your inventory. You've set up your Storefront module, shipping methods, and products by now. If you haven't, go back and review the tutorials. In the Storefront module, we'll navigate to the Orders side to view and manage our orders. The Order Manager screen includes options to return to the Product Manager, configure the module, view order reports and exports, and view digital product orders in your download bank. You can also search for physical product orders. The search results grid includes information about each order, the customer, order status, and options to manage the order. We'll come back to those. In our earlier tutorial, we noted that no transactions are created when you purchase products from your storefront in test mode, but a test order is saved to the module. You'll always see those test orders while working in the storefront in test mode. When you activate your storefront, the test orders will remain in your list of orders, but you'll only see them if you choose All as your status filter. Also, test orders will always include the word test. Let's select All to show a list of all orders. Right now, we're in test mode. The statuses in test mode are essentially the same as those we'll see when our storefront is live. Let's review them and the order in which you might see them. Unless otherwise stated, you'll see each status in both test and live modes. In process means the customer is currently shopping and has yet to check out. Pending means the order has been placed, but the customer still needs to pay. In test mode, transactions are never created. Instead, your order is saved, which is the equivalent of checking out. Ready to ship appears when the order has been paid for and is ready to be filled. You won't see this status in test mode. Partially filled means a portion of the order has been filled. If you allow partially filled orders to be shipped, you'll be able to ship part of the order and return to ship the rest when it's in stock. Filled means the order has been filled and is ready to ship. PF canceled means a partially filled order has been canceled. We'll talk more about canceled orders later. And canceled means the order has been canceled without being filled. Let's fill an order. In test mode, you'll fill orders marked pending or partially filled, and you'll need to search for all order statuses. In live mode, you'll fill orders with a status of ready to ship or partially filled. You can use the default search for ready or partially filled orders. Each order includes the customer's name and whether they're a member, and other order details. You can also click the customer's name for quick contact details. In the Maintain column, we can view order details, prepare the order to ship, and cancel the order. Click the Shipments icon to fill an order. On the Order Fulfillment screen, select the products to include in the shipment and whether to print a packing list and shipping label. If you fill the entire order, the status updates to filled. If you only partially fill the order, the status will be partially filled. You can ship partially filled orders or wait until the entire order is filled to ship. You can also update the shipping addresses, whether the purchase was a gift, and whether it includes a special message. Filling the order does not mark the order as shipped, so let's ship the order now that it's filled. Click Ship with Quantities Shown to fill the order. In the Shipments panel, on the same page for your order, click the Edit icon in the Maintain column to view the shipment pop-up. The shipping method the customer selected at checkout is automatically selected in the pop-up. Enter the shipping and tracking information and click Save. If your customers pick up their orders in person, you might mark the order as shipped when they pick up the item and use the tracking field to note who picked it up. If you need to resend the automatic shipment confirmation email at any point, you can click the email icon in the Shipments grid to email the customer. Back on the Order Manager screen, our order still has a status of filled, but when we drill down into the shipment information, we can see the entire order has shipped. And if we search our orders for only filled orders that haven't shipped, we don't see the order. If you need to add or remove a product from an order, you'll need to cancel the existing order, and either the customer or an administrator will need to reorder the correct items. If you need to cancel an order, you can cancel any order with a pending, ready to ship, or partially filled status. Once an order is filled, you can no longer cancel it. To cancel an order, click the Cancel icon in the Maintain column. If you cancel a pending or ready to ship order, you'll no longer be able to see order details. At this stage, you can click the Delete icon to delete the order if necessary. If you cancel a partially filled order, the status updates to PF Canceled or Partially Filled Canceled. You'll still be able to view the order details. However, you can't delete the order from your records. When you cancel an order, the customer receives a credit to their account to use on future purchases. Now that we've seen how to manage physical orders, let's see how we'd manage digital ones. Customers who purchase digital products receive a link to a download bank including the documents they purchased. Members can also access their download bank through their member profile. You can manage users' individual downloads and purchases in the download bank. In the grid listing customers, you can see the number of documents they've purchased and the number still available to download within the time limit. When you add digital products to your storefront, you set a download time limit. If the customer fails to download the document within the specified time limit, you can extend the time limit from the download bank. Click the View icon to view a customer's downloads. Expired downloads have a note, and you can edit the status of the download and change the expiration date. Note that this won't notify the customer that the document is available. You'll need to contact them separately. So now you've learned how to manage physical and digital orders in your storefront. When you're ready to activate your storefront and make it available to your website visitors, email our support team with your request. Thanks for watching our storefront series, and we'll see you in the next video.